Let's make a taco. Yeah.
Let's make a taco.
Okay.
Let's make a taco.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's make a taco.
Let's go do this. Let's do
go
this.
make a taco.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna go make a taco. Watch me slip. This is the way I'm walking. Let's make this taco. Let's make this taco. We're in Hometown Buffet, just about to make a taco.
There's a paper taco over there.
Hey, princess. We're gonna make a taco.
Taco.
Right there. Where do you make a taco? It's like we make a taco here.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Hey,
It's so shiny, it's fake. You really think it was real?
I mean, look at those peppers. Cute. Let's make a taco. Do you want a soft taco or a hard taco?
I want a hard taco. I like it hard.
I like it kind of soft and messy. Stuff comes out. JK.
Make me a
Do you want a
taco?
taco? Do you want this? This is your taco, Tori. I'm making taco for you. I'm a specialty taco person. You got this?
I don't. Ooh, gross. I didn't want a taco.
Yes, you do. Now you do.
Put rice in it.
You want some rice in here? Ow!
I like that rice. Look at how sexy that rice is.
Okay, there's your rice. Oh. Little side of rice. Little side of rice.
Yeah, that's a lot of rice.
What's this? Do you want some?
No, I do not want some frijoles. Frijoles.
Okay, let's go to the cheese. Hey, excuse me, over here. Camera over here. Making a taco. I'm looking like Bobby Flay right now.
Bobby Flay. What did you just put in my taco?
You want cheese in your taco, right? Everybody wants cheese in their taco. You want tomatoes?
No.
What you want? You want sour cream?
No.
That's exactly.
No.
What you want? Lemon?
Yeah.
You want lemon?
Totally.
There you go. That's your taco.
You want taco? It's so
What else do
good.
you want? Do you want some like hot sauce?
I don't want any of
I can
that.
sprinkle some of me on it. That make it.
That'd make it hot enough.
All right, here's your taco.
I like that.
Here is your taco.
Ooh, let's go get salad.
Let's
That way.
let's go back and then put down our taco and then
I didn't want to eat that taco. What's that? Oh, it's my finger.
let's go.
Making a taco. We made a taco. Hey, look, it's Wheeler. She waved. Look at this one. Sad. Okay, anyways. It's a taco.
Taco video
It's
done.
a taco.